Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pork Xiao long bao. First, let's prepare the dough. Combine 200 grams of all-purpose flour with 100 milliliters of hot water. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then knead it for about 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Cover the dough and let it rest for 30 minutes at room temperature. This resting period is crucial for a tender wrapper. Next, we'll create the delicious pork filling and the essential aspic. Combine 300 grams of ground pork with soy sauce, grated ginger, and a touch of sesame oil. For the aspic, simmer pork skin or gelatin with a flavorful broth until dissolved. Chill this mixture until it's firm, then finely chop it. This aspic is the secret to the soup inside your dumplings. Now for the fun part, assembling your Xiao long bao. Divide your rested dough into small portions and roll each into a thin, round wrapper, about 3 inches in diameter. Place 1 tablespoon of the pork and aspic filling in the center of each wrapper. Carefully pleat the edges, gathering them at the top to create a small, sealed pouch. Aim for at least 18 pleats for that classic look. Finally, it's time to steam and enjoy your homemade Xiao long bao. Bring water to a rolling boil in your steamer. Carefully place the dumplings in a steamer basket, ensuring they don't touch. Steam them for 8 to 10 minutes over high heat until they are plump and translucent. Serve immediately with a dipping sauce of black vinegar and fresh ginger slivers. Enjoy your delicious, soupy dumplings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.